I think you're from China, right?
Myanmar. Yeah, China.
Okay. Do you know where I'm from? Can you guess where
Uh,
I'm from?
so India.
Yes, India. Absolutely. Okay, so could you introduce yourself? Could you walk me through your introduction? Because I think we are meeting here very first time, right? So could you walk me through introduction? Could you tell me something about you? I would really appreciate that. Tell me.
Oh my. I think my name is Silver. Oh, I'm 19 years old. You can call me Jijo. My name is Jijo.
Your nice name.
Uh, yes, I'm university student. Uh, now I'm studying English language, only English language.
Okay, you're studying English language. Great. Okay. How old are
Mhm.
you? Let me guess. I think you're 17 years old.
Oh, I'm 19 years old.
19 years old. Okay, great. Okay. So-
Uh,
Okay.
from a beginning country.
Where do you
Let's
study?
hope.
Where do you Okay, where do you study? Do you study in your own country or do you study in foreign countries? For foreign country.
Oh, I study English. English. I wanna. What do you say? I don't understand.
Okay, so how many family members are there in your immediate family?
My family is my father, mother, and me. That's all.
Three or four?
Yes,
Four members.
three.
Three members only. All right. Okay. Regard here in my family member, there are also three members. Okay. Me, my mother, and my younger brother. Okay.
Oh,
Okay. Great. Great. Hmm. So, what is your dream? What's your dream? What is your dream?
yes.
What do you want to become in your life?
What do you say?
What is your dream? You want to be a rich girl, rich woman? What do you want to become in your life?
Oh, sorry, I can't
Okay, you
understand.
can ask me. Our time is almost over, like 13, 12, 11, 10. Okay. Okay. So it has been wonderful conversation with you. I really enjoyed and I really appreciate that you have been talking to me. Okay. Bye.